So for this problem, to find the derivative for this general power rule, and this is the formula. So from this given, so first, we need to find the values for u and du. So u equals this inside the parentheses. So this is 5x to the power 3 minus 3x squared plus x minus 7. Then du equals the derivative of u. So the derivative of 5x to the power 3. So multiply these two numbers. 5 times 3. This is 15. Then x minus 1 for the exponent. So to the power 2. Then minus for this term. So multiply these two numbers. 3 times 2, this one is 6x. Then again, minus 1 for the exponent. So to the power 1. Then plus for this term. So for the derivative of a constant and a variable, so this is equal to the constant. Since there is an imaginary 1, so the derivative is equal to 1. Then for the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. So du is equal to 15x squared minus 6x plus 1. Then to find out the derivative equals, so using this formula, and n is the exponent, so we have n, and this is equal to 4. Then times u, and u. So this is 5x to the power 3, then minus 3x to the power 2, then plus x minus 7, then n minus 1 or 4 minus 1, so this is 3, then times the derivative of u. So du, so we have 15 x to the power 2, then minus 6x, then plus 1. Then to simplify, so multiply this 4 to this equation. So we have 4 times 15. So this one is 60. Then x to the power 2. Then 4 times negative 6. So negative 24x. And 4 times 1. So this is positive 4. Then bring down this 5x to the power 3, then minus 3x squared, then plus x minus 7, then quantity to the power 3. So this is now the derivative. Then for this given, so to find the derivative, so first, we need to rewrite this radical in exponential form. So if we have the cube root of x to the power 2, so in exponential form, this is equal to x to the power 2 over 3. So the root is the denominator of the exponent. So if we have the fourth root of x to the power 7, so in exponential form, this is equal to x to the power 7 then over 4. So for this given, to rewrite in exponential form, so this becomes y equals then 2x to the power 2 plus 5x minus 9 then quantity. So the exponent is 3 over 5. Then to find now the derivative, so we need to find first the value for u. And u equals, that's inside the parentheses. So 2x to the power 2 plus 5x minus 9, then for du. So the derivative of u. So the derivative of 2x to the power 2, so this is 4x, then plus the derivative of a constant and a variable, so this is the constant, and the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. So du equals 4x plus 5. Then to find now the derivative equals, so n is the exponent, so that's 3 over 5, then times u, and u, so that's 2x to the power 2 plus 5x minus 9. Then for this n minus 1, so if we have 3 over 5 minus 1, so the shortcut method, so just subtract these two numbers. So we have 3 minus 5. So this is negative 2. And copy the denominator. So if we have 7 over 4 minus 1, so again, just subtract these two numbers. So 7 minus 4, that's 3. Then copy the denominator. So that's 3 over 4. So for this 3 over 5 minus 1, so 3 minus 5, that's negative 2. And again, just copy the denominator, then times du, and du is 4x plus 5. Then multiply this 3 over 5 to this equation. So 3 over 5 times 4x. So for this, just multiply this numerator and this number. So 3 times 4. So this one is 12. Then copy the denominator 5. Then we have x. Then for this term, so plus, again, multiply this numerator and this number. So 3 times 5, this one is 15, then over. So copy the denominator 5. Then bring down this 2x to the power 2 plus 5x minus 9 to the power negative 2 over 5. Then we need to simplify. So this is 12 over 5x, then plus this 15 divided by 5, this one is 3. Then we have 2x to the power 2 plus 5x minus 5 quantity to the power 2 over 5. So this is now the derivative.